Hello, Science 21 Grade 4 team. Do you know that you have free, limited access to a resource that enhances your Science 21 curriculum? STEM-SIMS is a suite of over 350 digital labs and simulations that give you and your students access to virtual investigations that companion your Science 21 lessons. For instance, in Grade 4, Unit 2, Energy Lesson 2, called On a Collision course, students investigate collisions. After they complete their Science 21 investigation, they can move on to a couple of STEM-SIMS lessons that reinforce the concept of energy transfer during a collision using a virtual device called Newton's Cradle. 2 STEM-SIMS lessons provide a platform for your students to make predictions about changes in motion due to collisions and experience visual representations of energy being conserved during collisions. To access the STEM-SIMS lessons, go to stemsims.com. Log in using your Science 21 username and password. Once logged in, select Grades 3 through 5 and the category of Science 21. Choose the Search button and a listing of all free Grades 3 through 5 modules appear. Select the Newton's Cradle module and then Lesson 1, Predicting Motion. Choose the View/Assign Lessons tab. The teacher's guide appears on the top of the screen, the lesson on the right side, and the simulation on the left side of the screen. You can make the simulation full screen by selecting the bracket icon for the whole class demonstration. For printouts of the lesson, select the Documents tab and then either PDF for a printout or Word to download, modify, and save a copy of the lesson. Choosing the Brochure option gives you access to engagement and extension activities your students can complete at home. In this extension activity, students build their own Newton's Cradle from common materials found in their homes. If you want your students to conduct this lesson individually instead of as a whole class activity, each student can log into STEM-SIMS using their general student login provided to you. The general login for all students is either your username_student or your username _student. All students will use the same password, 12345, to log into STEM-SIMS. Once logged into STEM-SIMS, your students would then select Grades 3 through 5, category Science 21, search, and then choose the module and lesson you assign. The following Grade 4 Science 21 lessons have free companion STEM-SIMS lessons using virtual tools. The STEM-SIMS lessons should be completed after your students complete the specific Science 21 lesson. In Science 21, in Unit 2, Energy Lesson 2 on a Collision course, the STEM-SIMS companion lessons are Newton's Cradle, Lesson 1, Predicting Motion, and Newton's Cradle, Lesson 2, Energy Transfer. For Science 21, Unit 3, Waves and Wave Information, Lesson 3, Breaking Waves, STEM-SIMS companion lesson is Surf's Up, Lesson 1, Property of Waves. For Science 21, Unit 4, Earth Systems, Processes that Shape the Earth, Lesson 10, What Natural Hazards Impact Humans, The STEM-SIMS companion lesson is Volcano Lesson 1, Topographic Maps. We hope you find the free STEM-SIMS resources to be valuable tools that augment your Science 21 lessons and keep you making science a critical and foundational part of your students' lives. Please contact sales@stemsims.com for more information on purchasing the full STEM-SIMS suite of over 350 virtual labs and simulations.